Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you have internet connection but you cannot browse Google Play Store or use Google Chrome. So here let's open any app and try installing it. Sorry, this one already was installed, but we can select any other, like this one. Now if we try installing it, it will be pending and we can wait about 20 seconds. It won't install, never. Let's cancel that, and I'm gonna show you Google Chrome as well. So as you can see, the pages won't load. Now if we want to fix that, we'll need to open our settings, scroll all the way down till you see the system, select it, then move to the date and time and enable set time automatically. Now if we go back again and open our Google Chrome and reload the page, it loads without any problem, and that's it. The same with Google Play Store. We can install this app again and it installs instantly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.